5 tips to improve your English. 1. Expand your vocabulary. Learning new word day in, day out is a good way to widen your vocabulary. Commit yourself to learn 5 to 10 new words daily. Even if you only have time to learn 1 new word per day, it is still worth trying. By learning 1 word every day, after 1 year you will have learned 365 new English words. Write the number down to remind yourself frequently. If you have a learning partner, share it with her so that she check on your progress. 2. Improve your pronunciation. You might know a lot of words. What if you fail to say them correctly? You will not be understood. That seems like a waste of time spent on remembering words. So if want to improve your pronunciation, watch English videos. 3. Build English speaking confidence. One of the biggest barriers developing English speaking skills is confidence. It is certainly something that all language learners have difficulty with, and one of the best ways to overcome this is to get out there and practice. Self-talk. Talk to yourself in English loudly. It can be anything from a suggestion like, "Shall we go get a glass of water?" Or a reminder, "I need to do a load of laundry today." Alternatively, pick up a book and read a couple of pages out loud. This exercise might slow down your reading, but it will speed up your speaking skills. You can also record yourself. Listen to the recording and watch out for any wrong pronunciation. 5. Think in English. If you already think in English, it takes less time to produce or respond in everyday conversations. No translation needed. A good way to start rethinking is to keep diary where you express your daily thoughts in English. It does not have to be perfect. It is more about getting out thoughts in English with less and less effort. Participate in public speaking events. Big universities, theaters and culture societies organize events like Josh Talks, spoken word readings and improvised storytelling gatherings. These are places where you can come and mingle with like-minded people and practice English. Many cities are now hosting TED or TEDx talks, where you can register to participate and share your innovative ideas.